Merry Christmas everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be making some fantastic pizza using these leftovers. So this is what we're going to have. It's like a calzone. Looks fantastic, and it did taste fantastic as well. That's what it looks like inside when we've cut it up. And we're going to be using some frozen pizza dough. Yes, that's right, frozen pizza dough. So you remember a few months ago when we had the Caputo versus the 5 Stagioni? Well, there you go. I've got absolutely loads and loads and loads of frozen pizza dough left that we need to do something with. So normally when you do a recipe of mine, you'll get around 7 230 gram pizza balls. So as you can see, I've got absolutely loads. But if you've got no frozen dough, don't worry, because here is a quick reminder recipe. Okay, welcome back. If you want a full video of that, check the pizza flour library out. So here's a frozen dough. Here's the 5 Stagione. Let's get that one opened up. So you'll notice it's in those new tubs from Poundland. So they freeze really well, so you can use them in the freezer. Look at that. It just pops straight out. If only the unfrozen dough would pop out as easily as that sometimes. It'd be absolutely fantastic, wouldn't it? So that's the 5 Stagione one. Let's have a look at a Caputo. So again, let's open that up. Let's just have a quick look. So open up really nice and easy. And fell out really nice and easy. Oh, there's a big air bubble there as well. Looks really odd with all the air bubbles there. There we go. All frozen. Let's put the lid back on. And what we'll need to do is we'll probably need to leave these out for about 5 hours till they're thawed out. So the room temperature is about 20 degrees or so. So that's before. And this is after 5 hours. So all thawed out now, as you can see. So let's get these Christmas dinner leftovers into the pizza. So just use some Caputo Samola flour for stretching. You will need it with this type of pizza and all type of pizza. It's really useful stuff to have. So just going to sprinkle some on the top, and this will help us to get the dough out. Now, I did struggle with this one a little bit, as you'll see. It is a bit sticky in the container, but it does come out with a little bit of gentle persuasion. You just got to be gentle and just a little bit patient. So here you go, it is now out. So dip it into the Samola flour, round and round a couple of times, and then we'll just start to now gently stretch it out. So first thing I noticed is that the dough was at room temperature. It wasn't cold to the touch, so that means that it will stretch really nicely and it won't spring back. Sometimes when the dough is cold and still not quite up to room temperature, you will notice that it has a bit of a spring back on it. If yours does that, just leave it another hour or so and it'll be ready to go. So brilliant pizza dough this. Both the Caputo and Stagione are fantastic flours to use to make pizza dough. So if you want to check the full video out, as I say, it's in the pizza flour library, the 5 Stagione versus the Caputo. So just finishing off now, stretching that out. And what you'll notice is, again, no springing back at all. And there we are, we're ready to go. So, first ingredient is the Marks and Spencer's cranberry sauce. No turkey dinner is complete without cranberry sauce, so just smearing a little bit on the pizza base. And next we use some sage and onion stuffing that's left over. So just crumbling that over the top, and it really does enhance the flavour of the pizza. So one thing we're doing today is we're not using any cheese as well. No cheese being used, so this is just pure Christmas dinner leftovers. So next is the pigs in blankets, and we're just going to pop those on. And then, of course, it's the roast turkey. Let's pop that on, and that turkey was fantastic. I hope you're all having a fantastic Christmas day. So fold that over, and then next we'll need to trim off the excess. So there we go, just using the pizza cut just to trim the excess off. This is definitely one for Boxing Day, definite recipe for Boxing Day this. So take that away, and then we need to crimp the edges, and this just makes sure that none of the ingredients escape when we pop it into the pizza oven. So just while we're doing the crimping, just a personal shout out to absolutely everybody who subscribed, all 709 of you at the count of making this. Really does mean a lot. Thank you very much. And if you like the video, drop it a like, and please share the video as well. It's more than welcome. So just finishing off the crimping now, just about there. And we're just going to press that down with a fork, and that just makes sure that everything is all nice and secure in the pizza. There you go, just pushing it down, and then just to make doubly sure, I shall push it down the other way around as well. There we go. So that now is a finished Christmas pizza calzone. So onto the shovel, we'll just turn that round, and we'll just put a bit of a crescent in there, and off to the oven. So just before I send it to the oven, just a shout out for the 60-second pizza playlist that I've created that's in the channel. This has got all the pizza doughs that we made, but it's in a much shorter format. If you want the long stuff, of course, the pizza library is there available for you, and all the recipes and everything that we made is in there. Some fantastic flours and some fantastic pizza ideas for you all there. So thank you once again for subscribing to the channel. But why don't you come and join us on the Facebook page, the OMSGA Pizza Making Group. Come across and join us there. Right, okay, back to the action. So into the oven, slightly cooler oven on this one. So it's 300 degrees and a low flame. So this is another recipe that you can definitely make in the home oven as well. You don't need one of these pizza ovens. You can do this using a pizza stone in your normal oven. And if you are doing that, you just need the temperature up to the max, and just let the calzone cook. So just making sure that we're turning this a couple of times, and just ensures that it doesn't burn. So having it at a lower temperature in the pizza oven just ensures that it doesn't burn on the base. So just going to give that, keep turning it. As you can see, it's just starting to nicely brown up on the top, getting that like leoparding effect. And you can tell that it's cooking inside because there's steam coming out of one of the vents that we put in there earlier. So now it's just starting to smell really, really nice. Getting that nice roast Christmas dinner smell coming through. And yeah, this is a brilliant idea for using all the leftovers, making sure we're not wasting everything. So it takes about 6 minutes. That's after 6 minutes, so it's all done there. Let's get on that chopping board. Well, would you look at that? Looks fantastic. Okay, let's open it up. Open it up with the pizza cutter. Wow, it's really, really crispy as well. So not burnt underneath. That's a massive lump of turkey that's just right in the way there. And let's have a look at the other one. And we've just cut it along where there's one of the pigs in blankets. Looks fantastic to eat. So yeah, please leave me a comment, tell me what you think. And don't forget to subscribe as well. As you can see, I've just moved that turkey out of the way and it looks fantastic. It tasted brilliant. Hope you have a fantastic Christmas. See you in the new year. Bye for now.